So in this workflow, whatever chat message the user will give, we'll try to parameterize it so that we can consume another API call. For example, why am I charged for $200, or rather $150 plus month? This should create a parameterized response, last month amount, previous month amount, and confidence in the response. Right, so for this we have to use an AI agent and open an order window server, API for any entity or event response, or Wikipedia for any open source responses. This is the text message that we have to give through our prompt to the agent, and this is a system message that we have to give to it. You are an advanced AI assistant integrated with Sir API and Wikipedia tool to ensure ability to perform name basically any to do any ER. Right this way, we'll be able to get it now. If you just quickly want to build it again, so first of all, we'll take a chat trigger. So one chat trigger is already there. I'll remove it. I'll add it to somewhere here. I'll add an agent. Let me add an agent here. I have to write a define below so that I can define the prompts below. In the prompts I have, I'll copy the text message that I'm trying to give it. Then I'll also take the system message that I'm trying to process. These prompts I'll add into the YouTube description. Now I can connect a model something like this. A model is connected. I'll use for mini like this. I'll use a window memory tool like this, and I'll use Sir. So for that, we need an account server account. So you can just easily check Sir API and you can sign up. 100 API calls, they give it for free, so you can utilize it and understand how things are working. Wikipedia is open source, so you can use it anytime. This way it builds a complete workflow, and now you will be able to integrate it. Let's say, for example, someone will ask how you will utilize it. So let's say I can connect a webhook node here. I'll have a web node. So webhook will be connected over here inside the webhook. With this URL, I can have a Postman collection. Yeah, inside this Postman collection, I can pass the data and that will be the response. Thank you.